too close, that's an Odyssey, eh? Deadpool.
Honda Odyssey. Our next project car?
Oh man, well that it lends itself to it. Give me a supercharger. Let's put a Mugen in there. Boom. Definitely a resonator. Delete. So what's with all of your generation using these new terms like stage 1, stage 2?
Oh no, I have no idea actually.
It's like, oh, my car's better. I'm a stage 1.
No, if I were to like do a turbo, I would just be like, stock is stage 1, and then like turbocharged is the final stage. Because what else are you gonna do to it?
I don't get it. What I just love is when I hear some of them go, oh, I got a downpipe, I'm so much faster. It's like, yeah, you put 10 horsepower extra in your car, big deal.
That's gonna be us in a couple weeks.
No, but I'm not gonna be sitting there thinking it's magic.
McDonald's time.
Look at these.
Only reason I bought my car is I can go to McDonald's, but for some reason you came along with me. Do you like coming along with the thing?
It gets me out of the house, which is always nice. Car coming down, so
I might just eat inside.
yeah, do that. We're gonna eat inside the Mickey D's, man. You really want to park beside this guy? His car is held together by strings.
Yeah, but
and
it's
stuff.
K-tuned. Oh no, it is K-tuned. Well, we'll check it out.
Oh, that paint job's not K-tuned.
Hey Dad, respect all builds, okay?
No, the car looks like crap. We'll start the car.
Yeah, well, thanks. Well, what are we gonna talk about, Dad?
I don't know. Let's see what you do first.
Wow.
I don't know. Are you excited about the weekend?
Oh yeah.
Gonna go to Detroit.
Yeah,
look
if
at a
you guys
bunch of
didn't
muscle
know.
cars.
You're going to Detroit.
What's in Detroit, Justin?
Hot dogs.
We're not going all the way to Detroit just for hot dogs. Though that's actually not a bad idea. We're going for the Woodward Dream Cruise. You're gonna see some of the greatest cars that you can even imagine.
And I don't know if I'm going to be posting it because the dad angle, you might be filming, who knows?
Hey, look at the Prelude.
That is a Porsche.
My eyes are shot. Is it?
We're both wrong. It's just a... What the heck is that? No.
It's a Prelude, like I said.
Sweet.
What do you say?
You suck.
I do not. Oh, that's a cute little old car. You see? How'd you get in an accident? My dad had a GoPro where my mirror is. I couldn't see her
No,
merge.
I couldn't see over the belly. Then the GoPro.
Your belly's not that big anymore. Make fun of me.
Yeah, I meant my belly.
Okay. My belly is big.
Should we start a car channel or should we start a gym channel?
People would quit the first date. Neither one of us know how to work out. But I do know how to eat and I do know how to drive. What are you doing with all that? You're not trying to find neutral, are you?
No, I'm... Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. What are you trying to do? into fifth gear. Wow. That's 70 kilometers an hour.